Hey y'all, this is Joe of St. Bernard Acres. I'm going to do another review here. If you don't want to see my review, then turn it off. I'll give you a heads up now. I got an email from Thrunite to see if I would be interested in doing a review of one of their new flashlights. And I know I've seen enough reviews on YouTube about flashlights, and Thrunite, that yeah, I'd like to have one. So this is gonna be short. This is just unboxing it, seeing what's in the box, seeing how it's set up, my first impression of it. And then I figure in another month or two of use and actually going through it all, I will do a thorough review of what I think of the quality and usefulness of the flashlight is. So this is just, what's in the box, basically. What do you get with it? So let's take a peek here. This came in the mail today. So it's a little box in a big box is what it is. And it's the Thrunite TC-15 is what this is. So let's take a peek, if I can get this in the camera, at what's in the box and see what we get. You guys hear Maggie out front. She's doing okay since her sister's gone. And I got a call this afternoon from the funeral home. Misha's ready to be picked up. So we can go get her ashes now. Let's see. Alright. There's the box. Wow. Nice packaging, at least. Let's see what this looks like. So that's it. That is the flashlight. This is like 2300 lumens on full. So let me get some info here. See if I can, if there's any specs. See what all we get. Thank you for your order from Thrunite. Hope you love and have a good experience with our products. So, little thank you note in several different languages. Also in the box we have a little Ziploc bag. I believe what we have are extra, well, I'm sure what we have, almost like a maintenance kit. Extra O-rings, because they are waterproof and pretty rugged. That's what those are going to be. Put them right back in their little baggie. Because I have cats who would love to play with stuff like this. And a lanyard. Oh, there's another O-ring. And a nice little lanyard. I like that. Didn't know it came with that. Let me stick the other O-ring in there. We have the USB charging cable. It is a rechargeable flashlight. We have, oh, nice clip. If you want to put a clip on it to put it in your pocket. And, wow, a really nice pouch for it to go on your belt. Oh, that's really nice. Convenient. It's not too big. For as bright as this is supposed to be, it's not too big. I don't know if there's any charge on the battery or not. So, this comes charged. And there are, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this because I'm doing this in the light. When I do my 30-day or 60-day review of actual usage, I'll go outside and get some footage of the actual beams. But there are like 4 different light settings on this, from turbo all the way down to firefly. Low, medium, high, turbo, strobe, and firefly. So a lot of versatility to this. I don't know how long the battery stays charged. I'm not going to play with it much until I actually get it fully charged up. But I like this. I think this is going to be pretty neat to have with me. Alright, you get a little instruction pamphlet. They call it a user manual. Kind of loose with that term. Let's see what we got here. A Cree XHP35 LED. Anti-reflective coated ultra clear toughened glass lens. Smooth reflector. It's made of aluminum. It's premium type 3 hard anodized surface. And it weighs 71 grams. Your output on high with a full battery, you should have an hour and a half on high, and that's over 1,000 lumens. Medium, 250 lumens, which is closer to what you would probably use. 6.5 hours. On low, 25 lumens, it's good for 68 hours. And on firefly mode, which is just barely any light, 41 days. It'll throw a beam a little over 800 feet. Let's see, they're impact resistant, they're waterproof. It's pretty cool. I mean, on their website, on Thrunite's website, they're $60. I don't know what they are on. I've never owned a flashlight that costs that kind of money. So this is going to be new to me. I'm doing the review on it and I get it for free for doing this, so it's one way to support my channel. I like this. Put my instruction manual back in there. My welcome note. That is very nice. Like I said, I'm going to use this as my daily flashlight and my everyday carry, because I occasionally need a flashlight at work. So I will get plenty of use out of it. So I think they've thought of everything with this light. I like it. Low, medium, high. Let's go back to low. I don't know if that shows up or not, because that can show you kind of the power of it. That's low, medium, high, not turbo. There's turbo. There's your strobe. Let's go back to low. And we'll see what Firefly is. That's Firefly. I don't even know if you can see that. That's so bright. Or so dim. Duh, bright. So that's it. That's the Thrunite TC-15. What comes in the box. That's everything you get with it. So I'm going to post this, my what's in the box, and then in 30 days or 60 days I will be doing a full review on it, the torture test, and see how it holds up. See how long the charge actually lasts. It's got the 18650 battery that's rechargeable. And I'm going to go get my dog back in the house and get this uploaded for you guys. And we'll see how it works. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the review on it. This is Joe from St. Bernard Acres. I'm out.